Outdoor Power Equipment, South Main Street, Mansfield. Online at ajsoutdoorpower.com and on Facebook. Now through July 31st. See us or go to KubotaUSA.com for more information.
If you're adopting or going through a divorce or have child custody or support issues, Attorney Rita Lexing can help. Her office has reopened. Please call to set an appointment to meet in person or over the phone. Attorney Rita Lexing hopes that your family is staying safe and healthy during these crazy times. If you need an attorney to look out for you and your children's best interests, you need Attorney Rita Lexing. Call her office for more information at 662-2020. She's located on South Main Street, Mansfield.
When the weather is nice, nothing beats dining outside in the Penwells Courtyard. The Penwells Courtyard is now open for the summer. The courtyard has added additional seating and a new fire table for comfort on cool evenings. You can also dine indoors in the Mary Wells dining room. Both the courtyard and dining room can be rented out for private events. At the Penwells, there's some exciting changes on the way. A new renovation in their lounge. Wait till you see their new bar when it reopens. What else is new? Online ordering is quick at Penwells.com. The Penwells is open Wednesday to Sunday at 4 p.m. Main Street, Wellsboro.
What's the Endless Mountain Music Festival all about? It's about music, lots of music, and lots of variety. It's about renowned musicians and world-class performers. The festival runs from July 16th to August 1st, with orchestra performances on Friday and Saturdays, and chamber recitals throughout the week. There's 17 unique events spread out over 17 days. Performances at Mansfield University, Roseboro's Dean Center in Penwells, and many other Twin Tiers locations. Get a pass for all 17 shows or pay by the show. On a budget, the Endless Mountain Music Festival wants everyone to be able to experience the world-class musician. Group tickets are absolutely free. That includes free 7-unit performances at Cherry Springs on July 18th, and Hartsville Yoke Church on July 29th, and a free 2-unit performance to wrap up the festival on August 1st at the Wellsboro Johnson Airport. Plus, all shows are free for those 20 and under. Get the entire schedule of 17 shows at endlessmountain.net.
Family life.
With their technology, with everybody says, oh, what was that, a UFO?
Now 105.7. Yo, what up, dude?
That's the standard. That's a measuring rod. First we say, anyone who comes.
Current special session. Democrats admit this is not a long-term solution. There's no other name like yours, Jesus.
Congress and all of our federal leaders use that term wisely.
They say before the
Passenger van in a small club of Minnesota, and the snow outside of Berkeley. Go, go!
Got a sweet tooth? Don't forget to get your favorite ice cream cone. It's Wheeler's Catering.